Now, welcome back to the sixth HTML tutorial of learning how to code in Pidgin English. And for inside this tutorial, we're going to discuss about list. So list now when you dey put things down one after the other. If it be places where you go like visit for holiday, or if it be things where you wan buy, or things where you go wan do, na wetin dem dey call list be that. So for inside HTML, we get three types of list wey be ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. So wetin we go wan do now be say I go just come here before we begin dey code our list. I go just come here, copy this our comment. So if I copy this comment, come paste am here, then change am to this is a code on list. Now the first type of list wey we go do na unordered list, and unordered list na ul tag we dey use dey represent am. So if I do ul, so this is unordered list. So inside every list, there is wetin we dey call li wey be list item. So for inside this unordered list now, I go get li wey be the list item, wey be the item of this unordered list. So I go just put li tag in here, then I go talk say list 1. Then wetin I go do now be say I go just copy this and duplicate am as many as I want. All this one list 2, 3, list 3, list 4, list 5. So if I come save this our code now, come go to our website, go reload am, you see say we don get our list for here now. So this one be unordered list because e no get any order. E no be say e start from 1, 2, 3 or things like that. So e no get any order at all. So na wetin dem dey call unordered list be that. So if you wan list something now and you no get priority, e no matter which one come first or which one come last. So you fit use unordered list for am because you no dey order am at all. But for this unordered list now, e get something wey we dey call attribute. So wetin be attribute? Attribute na just code wey dey add extra information to inside our HTML tags. Again, remember say everything wey we dey do for inside HTML na tag we dey use dey do am. But attribute now, e dey add extra information to tag. Now you go see say the style wey this unordered list take appear, e get one black dot here as the style wey unordered list dey use. So if I wan change this unordered list style now, use another thing entirely, I go just come inside this opening tag of unordered list, come include our attribute. So I go put type attribute, type. So wetin I go come put inside this type attribute now be the style wey I wan change this my unordered list to. And unordered list get 3 different types. E get circle, e get square, e get disc, and e come get none. But the disc na the default style, so dem no dey count am. So to prove this, I go just use disc. So if I save this information now, come go reload our website, you go see say nothing change. Na still that style, that small dot style wey e get, na so e still get. So disc na the default style of unordered list. So if I wan change that style now, I fit come put circle here. So I go save this information now, go back to our website, then reload our web page. Now you don see say from that black dot, e don turn to this circular style. Shey you see am? So if I wan change am again, I fit just come here, change am to square. So if I save this file now, go back to our website and reload it, you see say this thing now we don change back to square. And if I come decide say, oh, this thing no dey look fresh for inside my website o, I no wan make e style am for me, I go just come here, put none. So the type is now none. If I save this file now, go back to our website and reload it, you see say e don carry that style comot. So the next type of list wey we go discuss now na ordered list. So to do ordered list, you just need to put ol, and if you tap twice, you go get am. Wetin I go do now be say I go just copy this one like this, come paste am inside here, inside our ordered list. Now I go just save this file now, go back to our website and reload it. Now you see say for this ordered list now, e come add 1, 2, 3, 4, e come number am for us. For this thing not to be confusing, I go just comot this number, all these numbers wey dey here, I go just comot am so that e no go dey confusing. So we go just know say na list. So if I save this information now, go back to our website, then reload it. You see say e don comot. As I comot that numbering comot. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wey dey here na the numbering default of ordered list. Na im be that. So ordered list sef come get im own attribute. So if I come here like this, wetin I go do now be say I go just copy this one like this entirely, come here, paste am. So wetin we wan do now be say I wan change the attribute of this ordered list. Ordered list get 5 different types of attributes. E get 1, e get capital letter A, e get small letter a, e get capital letter I and small letter I. You go see everything now for this example. So if I put type here, come put 1 here. So na the default style of, e even good as e carry this thing come like this. If you see something like this for when you dey do your own sublime text, just click cancel, e no make any difference. So if I put 1 inside this type now, wetin that one mean be say I want numerical numbering. So if I save this one now, go back to our website, then reload it. Now you see say na the one wey I put 1 be this. The one wey we no put 1, na im be this one. So the default styling of ordered list na numerical styling, wey be numerical numbering. So if I come here like this, come change this one to capital letter A, save this file, go back to our website and reload it. You see say this one don change to ABCD, wey be alphabetical numbering. So if I come back here again, come put this one as A, small letter A, come save this file, go back to our browser and reload our website. You see say this one sef don change to lowercase alphabetical numbering. Yes. Now the next one wey we go do be say I go just include capital letter I here. So this one na Roman numerical numbering. But no be everything wey we fit do for inside this list be that o. So if I come inside this our ordered list now I don comot for the type attribute. Now I go like talk about the start attribute. Now this start attribute now, I fit just give am any number, say na where I want make my list start from be this. So if I just put 5 here, save this information, come back into our website and reload our website. Now you don see say this list now, this numerical numbering don start from V wey be 5, then VI wey be 6, VII 7, VIII 8, IX 9. If I come back here into our ordered list, come change this one to capital A. Remember now say our start is still be 5. So if I save this information now, go back into our website and reload it, you see say e come start from E. So wetin dis attribute dey do for us be say e dey give us flexibility to start our list from anywhere wey we like. So we fit come back here now say okay, na I go just put 1 here and carry this one that start to be 10. So I want it to start from 10. So I go just save it now, and because say I talk say type na numerical numbering I want, so e go start from 10. So if I just reload this website now, then you see say e don start from 10, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So now as we don discuss about unordered list and ordered list, make we discuss about the last one wey be definition list. So to do definition list, I go just do DL, wey be definition list. Now inside definition list, because as the name implies, we wan use am take define something. Now if you wan define something, you go gats get that thing wey you wan define, wey be definition term. So for inside HTML, na definition term we dey call am. So you go just put DT here wey be definition term. So dis DT wey I put in here now, I go just talk say who you be. So if I talk say who you be for inside dis one now, I dey ask question say okay who you be. Na im be say the person go come answer me say okay na so 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 person I be o. So dis definition term na the question wey you dey ask. And to come answer the question now, we need another tag wey be definition data. So I go just come here DD. So inside dis DD now na where we go come put the definition to dat question. So I go just do lorem here, come tab am. So you go imagine say dis text here na im be the answer to dis question who you be here. So if I save dis file now, go to our website, come reload am. Now you don see how e come take format am for us. Dis question wey we ask so, e put dat one first, come indent dis one forward so dat we go know say dis one wey dey here so na im be the answer to dis one here. But no be the only thing wey definition list dey do for us be dat. You see the two other list wey we don discuss, both ordered and unordered. Dis two, we fit embed dem inside definition list sotey e go come fresh, e go make sense kpom kpom. So to do dat one now, I go just do definition list. Now inside my definition list, remember say I dey always get definition term. So I go get my DT. Inside dis DT wey be definition term, I go just talk say list of things to buy. Now as I come talk say list of things to buy now, wetin I go just do now be say I go just come here do my ordered list. So wetin I go just do now be say I go just come inside here, instead of now typing the definition data, I go just use my ordered list directly. So I go just do OL, come here. Now inside my OL, I come get different list. So I get LI. Now the first list of things wey I go like buy, I go say okay I wan buy mango. Now as I come buy mango finish, I come say okay I wan buy again another thing, I wan buy orange. Okay, as I buy orange finish, okay again I go like buy chicken. Now I go just save dis information now, go reload our website, and you go see how dis one go come beautifully style am for us. Shey you don see? Now we get list of things to buy, and e come indent the list of things wey we wan buy for us. So dis one as e dey like dis, na the definition of dis one wey dey here like dis. So na so e go be for inside dis tutorial. As we don create list for HTML, I hope say you enjoy am. I go see you for the next tutorial where we go dey discuss about tables.